Hey guys, here's another little total home quick tip. Today we're doing a little bit of stucco repair. We've got a little leak. So what's happening is all of this caulking that was put on here, I'm pretty sure whoever did it, they put it on when it was wet. And we got all these little bubbles. Just from the water trying to escape. And not only that, they've caulked on top of caulking, which is never a good idea because sometimes it just doesn't stick very well. So you can see down here, I've removed it all and the old caulking is underneath there. It's kind of crazy actually. I don't know why anybody would do that, but what you can see is the old caulking is not even grabbing anymore. There's the old stuff right there. But you can see it right in there. And yeah, that's not very good. So what we got to do is we got to dig all this out and we got to put some new caulking on here. One layer, not two. And this way you're not going to get any leaking. Like all these bubbles, those holes go right through. And so there's lots of water going in and the whole garage is all flooded. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Talk to you later.